How to message someone on Threads app. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can message someone on Threads app. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to message someone on Threads app, after opening your Threads application, you'll be able to see your profile here at the bottom right. And when you head over to your profile, you can find a bunch of options here. When you tap on this menu bar or that bar at the right corner, you can see different options here. And other than that, you can also see all of your posts, replies, repost and everything here. So when you go to your profile, you can easily find the Instagram option at the top corner. That is only the way for now to send messages, because Instagram is directly linked with Threads. Both of them are connected with each other. So you may just use the Instagram in order to send message to each other or other people. So you may just tap on this Instagram tab. After tapping on it, you'll be redirected to your Instagram account. So head over to the home page. After heading over to the home page, just go to the message icon and tap on the person you want to send message to. After that, you'll be able to send message on your Threads app just like that. So therefore, just follow that method in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.